Urbanization of Kalangut Panchayat will take concretization of the village to next level. Long-time albeit former Kalangut Sarpanch Joseph Sequeira charged, taking a pot shot at present Panchayat and the local MLA. Joseph hit out at local MLA Michael Lobo and Kalangut Panchayat for notifying Kalangut as an urban area in the official gazette. He said urbanization would affect social culture and tradition of village as it would lead to more migrants shifting to Kalangut. He argued that urbanization would also hit the tourism industry.
Urban means destruction, and I feel that this destruction should have not been taken by the state government. At least now pandemic is going on, COVID-19 is going on, and there are a lot of issues in the village, in the state, and even though not taking any interest in this, the government has said that let the Kalangut village be urbanized. Now notifying Kalangut as urban areas means taking concretization to the next level. Our elected representatives should come very clear under the provision of the law. The area which enjoy village status after declaration as urban area. Now I think the Kalangut Panchayat and its members are not aware what is urbanization, and if this notification also has come, I think they are not aware of it. If it is so, then immediately they would have taken a Gram Sabha and put the things to the general public. Earlier, about 15 or 18 years back, the same procedures was followed, and I fought, the Panchayat fought, the then Panchayat, and we got our village back. Changing Kalangut as urban area from beautiful Kalangut, known as a rural village worldwide, will definitely have an adverse effect on charter tourism, and Kalangut will lose the prospect of growth in tourism industry. Now, because we were village, lot of tourists used to come, and people worldwide would say, or anyone who comes to Goa, they said, where is Kalangut? And it was a village. Now, if you see that huge buildings come in the village, who will come? And we have strong objection for this notification. We find not to, which we find not in the interest of our village, but pursuant to fulfill the malified intention of the so-called visionary leader. Now, the visionary leader only is talking about the urban will be retained as a village. How can it be? When the constitution says that urbanization will lead to municipality, urbanization will go for 100-200% FAR. Don't fool the people of Kalangut.
Joseph said that PDA had already approved big projects in fields and hills of Kalangut. The decision was taken closed doors of Secretariat, keeping Kalangut cards in dark as the behest of Kalangut MLA and Panchayat.
If you see, when you start in Kalangut, there is to the right, there is a structure in the field which is approved by the ODP, by the planning PDA, and it is 80% FAR given in this. It is right in front of the church where it is obstructing the church. Second, next to Boviage, there is 100% FAR given on the hill to a big builder, where people had objected earlier about 10 or 12 years back. Thereafter, in Motan, where there was a road of 2 meters, the PDA has approved about 6 huge concrete buildings. Now, this leads to concretization, or this is the starting of urbanization. We were not aware of this. The villagers were not aware of it, and I think most of the villagers are not aware of it. But taking undue advantage of this COVID, they have done this.
Joseph also hit out at Michael for his promise to legalize houses along the coastline through PDA. Watch.
Telling lies to the people of Kalangut and fooling them in the name of development. So what he has done earlier is that he has shown a rosy picture about 5 years back that all the houses are by the seaside will be approved or will be done by the, will be approved by the PDA. 9 years have passed. What has happened about it? Now, तांती तेकला तुझे बोकाक आणि आता तुम्ही करूंक सोदता just because the elections are coming close by and you want to fool the people again? People are very smart and people are aware what the visionary leader is, right? We condemn the move of the state government and the minister to notify Kalangut as a urban village, and we request them to denotify the urban area status.
Former Kalangut MLA and Congress General Secretary Agnel Fernandez too criticized the urbanization of Kalangut.
So we're just trying to figure out why this MLA of ours is interested in making this as an urban area. Now, I feel during the PDA and ODP, he has missed out on some of the areas where he could make money. Especially that Arpora Hill, Bon Voyage Hill, Sinkerim Hill, and large tracts of land which have been bought by Delhi builders, outsiders in the Kalangut area. When he was making the PDA, he had, just to get public support, he had told the people, PDA and ODP येयल्यार तुमची घरां रेगुलरायज जातली म्हणून. Even in RRD and Odda, he said all your houses will be regularized, PDA येत जाल्यार. PDA येयली, ODP येयली, एका PDA लो काडलो, आयज पासून एक घर रेगुलरायज जावंक ना. The beauty of Goa is in its villages. तूं तो ते काडूंक सोदताय, विलेज काडूंक सोदता, अर्बन करूंक सोदताय, आनी तूं सांगता अर्बन नोटिफाय केल्यार कांय जायना म्हणून. दुसऱ्यो 55 विलेजीस आहा त्यो कित्याक जायना? कांयच जायना. You have decided to make 56 villages. You have denotified all the 56 villages. Now you have brought Kalangut only. His idea is to make this a municipality. And what are the bad effects of being urbanized? तुझे FAR वाढूंक मेवता, setback आसोना, it is like a municipal area. Setback na, काय ना, it's going to be a concrete jungle.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Kalangut.